Vectra presents Heman175. Heman175 is a skid steer loader, brought to you by Vectra Advanced Engineering Private Limited. VAEPL is the engineering arm of $700 million Vectra Group that operates in 9 countries, with more than 2,500 employees, and 8 manufacturing units. Heman175 is an engineering wonder, designed for industrial and earth-moving tasks, be it agriculture, transport, construction, landscaping, mining, quarrying, forestry, or any other specialized task. Heman175 is the absolute solution. Absolutely unmatched in its class, Heman175 is compact, powerful, and low on maintenance costs. Heman175 is a multi-purpose machine and comes with a number of attachments. This enables the machine to handle a variety of site jobs. Backhoe is intended for digging canals, trenches and ditches. Combination bucket is a 6-in-1 bucket that can be used for leveling, dozing, digging, grappling, loading and dumping. This makes it a perfect multi-purpose attachment. Pallet fork is used to transport objects and materials. It becomes indispensable in an industrial setup for shifting objects from one place to another. Ripper tooth is meant to soften hard and rocky ground. Rotary planer is a leveling attachment that can be used to level large fields. Auger can drill 1.5 meter deep without extension. Stump grinder in Heman175 is used to grind tree stumps. It can grind stumps to a depth of 12 inches below ground. Industrial grappler performs major tasks in an industrial setup. It displaces junk with ease and efficiency. Hydraulic rock breaker in Heman175 is extremely compact and powerful. It breaks rocks into small pieces. Snowblower becomes extremely useful in areas of heavy snowfall. It cleans off the roads quickly and efficiently. Debris scraper can be used to fill in earth dug out by the trencher for laying of cables or pipes. Heman175 is truly a multifunction machine that adds value and generates higher profits. Heman175 has perfect geometry. The design of Heman175 helps it to maneuver quickly and efficiently in confined areas. Its small height allows it to pass easily through lower heights. Engineers of Heman175 have placed engine and hydraulic system at easy access. This helps in the maintenance and upkeep of the machine. Heman175 comes with a standard quick hitch mechanism. It takes less than 3 minutes to change the attachments. Heman175 is designed to ensure operator safety. The high tensile steel cabin protects from rolling and falling objects. First ever indigenously manufactured machine, Vectra's Heman175 maximizes productivity. Heman175, the way a skid steer loader should be.